Hi, my name is Hoang and I'm a researcher from NTNU, Norway. My research is to define a framework for unmanned ships to collaborate with each other to avoid collision. So, you may be wondering, why should ships collaborate and why we need a new framework? Well, maybe we don't. But collaboration between ships is actually a common practice between ships in waterway traffic. So, unlike driving a car where you can always hit the pedal brake to stop a wrong decision, it is harder for a ship to undo or stop an action, and a wrong decision can lead to catastrophic consequences such as collision or grounding. So, to avoid collision, ships usually share the intention with each other to have a better understanding of traffic situation. For manned ship, it is easy and straightforward, as two captains can always share the intention through verbal communication over radio. However, speech is not a strength for a machine, at least for now. That's why we need a new framework for collaboration between unmanned ships. What I have done now is determine what information needs to be shared between ships and how to use that information to avoid collision. Sharing information is easy, however, using information is not. The main difficulty is how to give ships the independence to make decisions to avoid collision, and while assuring that their decision will not contradict with those of other neighboring ships in the area. To overcome this obstacle, we use the advanced technology in distributed computing, and we adopt a framework that can help to increase the safety navigation of ships in a manner that complies with traffic regulation of inland waterway. Our framework has been tested successfully in a small-scale experiment in Tran, Norway, and you can always find this our interesting experiment in our project YouTube channel. Thank you.